Welcome to Curiosity Compass. I'm so glad you've decided to join us on this adventure of cosmic proportions. No telescope required. Today we're diving deep into the mind-boggling world of everyday science, exploring 5 incredible facts that will completely reshape your understanding of our universe and everything in it. Get ready to question everything you thought you knew, because these facts are so unbelievable, so profoundly amazing, that you'll be racing to share them with everyone you meet. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because fact number 5, well, let's just say it's straight out of a science fiction movie. So buckle up, get ready to expand your universe, and let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Welcome to Curiosity Compass. Okay, folks, let's kick things off with a real head-scratcher. We all know water, right? The lifeblood of our planet, the stuff of oceans and raindrops, and the key ingredient in a really good cup of tea. We think we've got it all figured out, but what if I told you that water can actually boil and freeze at the same time? You heard me right. It's a phenomenon called the triple point. And it's one of those scientific marvels that reminds us just how much we still don't know about the universe. You see, under very specific conditions of temperature and pressure, water can actually exist in all 3 of its states: solid ice, liquid water, and gaseous vapor simultaneously. It's like a cosmic juggling act with water molecules flitting between states right before your very eyes. Picture this. You've got a container, carefully controlled, to maintain a pressure about 1/100th that of our atmosphere. That's thinner than the air at the summit of Mount Everest. Now lower the temperature to a frosty 0.01 degrees Celsius, just a hair above water's usual freezing point. And boom, you've hit the triple point. At this precise moment, the ice in your container will begin to melt. But here's the kicker. It's not melting into just water. Nope, the water is also boiling, transforming into vapor right there in the mix. It's a mesmerizing dance of phase transitions, a scientific ballet of sorts. And it completely upends our everyday understanding of how water behaves. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's cool and all, but what's the practical application? Well, my friends, the triple point of water is incredibly important in the world of science. Scientists use it to calibrate thermometers with incredible accuracy, ensuring that those temperature readings we rely on are spot on. So the next time you grab a thermometer to check if that fever's broken, remember the triple point of water, a bizarre, beautiful example of the universe's hidden complexities. Fasten your seatbelts, cosmic explorers, because we're blasting off to our planetary neighbor Venus for a mind-bending journey through time and space. Now, we all know that a day is determined by how long it takes a planet to spin once on its axis, and a year is how long it takes to orbit its star, right? Well, on Venus, things get a little weird. Get this, a single day on Venus lasts a whopping 243 Earth days. That's right, longer than it takes for the Earth to complete an entire trip around the Sun. But here's where it gets even wilder. Venus zips around the Sun at a surprisingly brisk pace, completing an orbit in just 225 Earth days. So if you lived on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday before the Sun even finished setting from the last one. Think about that for a second. The Sun would rise in the west and set in the east due to Venus's retrograde rotation, and it would do so less than twice during a Venusian year. Talk about a long day at the beach. This cosmic quirk makes Venus a fascinating case study in planetary science. Scientists believe that Venus's incredibly slow rotation might be due to a massive collision with a planet-sized object billions of years ago, which essentially knocked the planet off its axis. It's a reminder that our solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing place, shaped by forces beyond our imagination. So next time you're complaining about a long day, just be thankful you don't live on Venus, where a single sunrise is a once-in-a-year event. Prepare to have your perception of self completely turned upside down, because we're about to dive into the microscopic world living inside each and every one of us. You might think of yourself as a single entity, but the truth is far stranger and far more fascinating. You see, your body is home to trillions upon trillions of bacteria, and their numbers absolutely dwarf your own cells. That's right, for every human cell in your body, there are about 10 bacterial cells hitching a ride. We're talking about 39 trillion bacteria. compared to a measly 30 trillion human cells. You're more bacterial than you are human. It's enough to make you want to reach for the hand sanitizer. But hold on a second. Before you declare war on your inner microbiome, you should know that these little guys are actually essential to your survival. Think of your body as a vast complex ecosystem with your bacterial residents playing a crucial role in keeping everything in balance. These microscopic tenants help you digest your food, breaking down complex molecules into nutrients your body can actually use. They're also key players in your immune system, acting as a first line of defense against harmful invaders. And here's the really mind-blowing part. Scientists are discovering that the bacteria in your gut might even influence your mood, your sleep patterns, and even your food cravings. It's a rapidly evolving field of research, but one thing's for sure. Our relationship with our microbiome is far more intricate and interconnected than we ever imagined. So next time you're feeling a little down, remember the trillions of tiny passengers along for the ride. They're not just freeloaders, they're essential partners in the grand experiment that is you. From the microscopic world of bacteria, let's flutter into the enchanting realm of butterflies, those delicate creatures that grace our gardens with their vibrant colors and seemingly carefree flight. But beneath their delicate exterior lies a hidden superpower. A sensory adaptation so unusual that it's sure to make you look at butterflies in a whole new light. You see, while we humans rely on our tongues to savor the sweet taste of honey or the tangy zest of a lemon, butterflies experience the world of flavor through their feet. That's right, their taste buds are located on their feet. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's true. Imagine strolling through a garden, stopping to sample a rose by simply stepping on its petals. That's everyday life for a butterfly. These remarkable insects have evolved specialized receptors on their feet called chemoreceptors, which allow them to detect the chemical composition of whatever they land on. These chemoreceptors are incredibly sensitive, allowing butterflies to distinguish between different plant species, assess the sugar content of nectar, and even determine if a leaf is suitable for laying their eggs. It's a crucial survival mechanism, allowing them to navigate the world of taste and smell without ever taking a bite. So, the next time you see a butterfly alighting on a flower, remember that it's not just admiring the view, it's literally tasting the flower with its feet, experiencing a world of flavor that we can only imagine. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to delve into the world of precious metals, and this final fact is sure to leave you speechless. Gold! The very word conjures up images of glittering treasures, ancient tombs, and fortunes won and lost. It's a metal that has captivated humanity for millennia, its rarity and beauty making it a symbol of wealth and power. But what if I told you that all the gold ever mined on Earth could fit into a cube smaller than an Olympic swimming pool? It's true. If we were to gather up every ounce of gold ever extracted from the Earth's crust, we could cram it all into a cube with sides of just 20 meters, or about 65 feet. That's right, all that glitters is not as rare as we might think. In fact, there's enough gold out there to give every single person on Earth a chunk the size of a golf ball. So why is gold so valuable if it's not actually that rare? Well, the answer lies in its location. You see, most of the Earth's gold is locked away deep within the planet's core, formed billions of years ago during the Earth's fiery birth. The gold we mine today is just a tiny fraction that's been pushed up closer to the surface through geological processes like volcanic eruptions and tectonic plate movement. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? This metal that has fueled empires, sparked wars, and adorned countless works of art is, in the grand scheme of things, a relatively common element. It's a reminder that our perception of value is often shaped by scarcity and accessibility, rather than true abundance. So next time you hold a gold coin in your hand, remember its cosmic journey from the heart of a dying star to the depths of our planet and finally into your palm. It's a story billions of years in the making, and it's a testament to the awe-inspiring forces that have shaped our universe. From water-defying logic to butterflies tasting with their feet, and from Venus's bizarre calendar to the surprising abundance of gold, I hope you're leaving today with a renewed sense of wonder about the world around us. It's amazing how much we take for granted. How many hidden wonders are just waiting to be discovered right here in our everyday lives? Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Curiosity Compass for more mind-blowing explorations of science, history, and the universe we call home. Until next time, keep your minds open, your curiosity piqued, and never stop questioning the world around you.